I have 5 kids, my friends. And I want to tell you how they make dua to me. Dua meaning when they ask me something. This is how they do it. Ibrahim, let me start off with the first one, Yusuf. Yusuf is my oldest one. I think the oldest children are always a little bit soft. Is that correct? The first child always a little bit soft, cries too much. Is that correct? I don't know. But I tend to find I was the oldest one. I think it was just too soft. I was just too soft, and I would just, little bit I would start crying. So Yusuf, he says, Baba, yes? Can I buy that thing? What is the thing? PlayStation, nice game. No, Yusuf, I don't have money. And he just make that face of his, and he just turn away, and he just shed 1 or 2 tears, and that's it. Okay? This is how he asks me. Then comes Aisha. Aisha is my next one. She's the eldest daughter. What does she do? Boba, yes, you're very nice, Boba. And she comes, she combs my hair, touches my head. Wallahi, she's just such an unbelievable. Subhanallah, she's gonna get everything from her husband. Anyway, mashallah, she does everything, touches me. So, Boba, how are you, Boba? Can I do anything for you? Like a glass of water, like some juice? How about that? And she takes my shoes off. Aisha, what do you want? Boba, can I get that present from there? No, not now, I don't have money. Okay, Boba, that's fine. Then she just go away nicely. Then comes Zainab. Look at how she makes dua to me. Ask me something. What does she do? What does she do? She says, Boba, yes. There's that really nice toy. I saw there. Can I please have it? Please. She's a really funny girl, right? Like that. She's 7 years old, and this is how she asks me. I said, no, Zainab. Okay. And then she just goes away. Right? Then this is Ibrahim. Ibrahim doesn't talk. He just smiles. So, Boba, yes? All he does is smile, and I know he's up to something naughty. Okay? Just a smile. I say, Ibrahim, no. Okay. And he's still smiling and going away. Then the last one, Maryam. How does she ask? 3 years old. Huh? No. Who do you think is successful? Who do you think is successful? Best negotiator. Who is it? Last one. She gets it all the time. Because if she doesn't, she's gonna kill me. She won't shut up. I'm going to ask you this question. Why can't we ask Allah like a 2-year-old child? Why can't we ask Allah and make dua to Allah like that? Why? And I thought about this. Look at how she gets everything from me all the time. When Allah loves that I make dua. The Prophet said, Allah loves it when you make dua. Allah hates it when you don't make dua. The Prophet also said in authentic hadith, مَا أَعَزُّ شَيْئًا عَلَى اللَّهِ مَا أَكْرَمُ شَيْئًا عَلَى اللَّهِ مِنَ الدُّعَاءِ. There is nothing more honorable to Allah than dua. The Prophet also said in the authentic hadith in Muslim, he said, أَعْجَزُ النَّاسِ أَعْجَزُهُمْ عَنِ الدُّعَاءِ. The most incompetent of people are those people who are not even capable of making dua. Why can't we ask Allah like a 2-year-old child? Oh Allah, oh Allah, you are the Lord of the heavens and the earth. Oh Allah, you are the richest and I am the poor. Oh Allah, I don't want to put my hands down until you answer my dua. Oh Allah, don't put my hands down until you answer my dua. Oh Allah, I beseech you, oh Allah. Oh Allah, I need your help, oh Allah. Allah, give me Jannah. Oh Allah, don't punish me in Jahannam. Oh Allah, let me see your face. Oh Allah, right from me, safety from the fire today. Oh Allah, don't let me put my hands down until you answer my dua. Oh Allah, I'm not going to put my hands down until you answer my dua. Do you know what the Prophet said? He said, Allah is ashamed, authentic hadith in Muslim. He said, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is ashamed of his slaves when he raises his hands up to him to return it back sifra. Inna Allah la yastahi min abdihi idha rafa ilayhi yadayhi an yaruddahu sifra. Allah is ashamed of his slave when his slave raises his hands up to him to return it back to him empty. Subhanallah, how amazing is that? Allah is ashamed. What an honorable king. What an honorable judge. What an honorable Lord he is. My brothers and my sisters in Islam, ask Allah like a 2-year-old child. Ask Allah like a 2-year-old child, you will have everything you want. Ask Allah like you never asked before. Don't make like رَبَّنَا آتِنَا فِي الدُّنْيَا حَسَنَةً وَفِي الْآخِرَةِ حَسَنَةً وَقِنَا عَذَابَ النَّارِ آمين وَفِي الْجَنَّةِ مَعَ الْأَبْرَارِ آمين. What the heck are you saying? You don't even know. It's like, Zainab comes to me. Please, 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 please. Can I have it? No. So they said, then you go away. Is this the way? This isn't the way. If Zainab only persisted, if Yusuf only persisted, if Ibrahim only persisted, if Aisha only persisted, they would get their way. But they didn't. Neither do we. We are far too hasty, my friends. Allah sometimes doesn't answer our dua directly. You know why? Because He loves to make us make dua. He loves to hear us beseeching Him and making dua to Him. He loves it. That's why He waits before He answers it, because He knows you're going to stop making dua as soon as you get your thing. So my friends, connect with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is your chance. Nothing is as strong as dua. Nothing is as strong as dua. Nothing is as strong as dua. Do you know how many verses in the Quran against making dua to other than Allah? How many verses? 500 verses. وَلَا تَدْعُوا مَعَ اللَّهِ إِلَهًا آخَرَ. 500 verses like this. إِنَّ الَّذِينَ تَدْعُونَ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ. How many verses are like that? 500 verses of not making dua to anyone other than Allah. Do you know why? Because the scholars say that dua is the best of ibadah. Because Rasulullah said, ad-dua mukhul ibadah. Dua is the heart and soul of ibadah. Heart and soul of worship. And the thing that is common between all religions is dua. This is the month of dua. This is the month in which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not reject our dua, one dua every single day. What dua have you made for today? And have you been hasty in your dua? Or are you truly making dua for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as you should? Like the 2-year-old child. Beg Allah, Allah will not say no to you. Beg Allah, Allah will not say no to you. And if you make dua to Allah, Allah remembers you to Himself. If you remember Allah, Allah remembers you to Himself. Ibn al-Qayyim rahimahullah, he says, if there was only one verse that was revealed that could show you the greatness of dua, then this verse would be enough. Which dua? Which verse is that? فَاذْكُرُونِي أَذْكُرْكُمْ. Remember me, I will remember you. Ya salam, how powerful.